Some of the things holding you back aren't dramatic. They're not loud. They're not obvious. They're small habits you repeat every day without noticing the damage. Daniel learned this the hard way. Not because life collapsed, not because something extreme happened, but because he realized that the biggest obstacles were often the quiet ones. The ones he didn't question, the ones he didn't see. Here are 5 things you might be doing that quietly hold you back without you realizing. 1. You downplay yourself too quickly. Most people don't notice when they do this. Someone compliments you. You brush it off. Someone asks about your goals. You shrink them. Someone gives you space to speak. You minimize your thoughts. It feels harmless. It feels humble. But it slowly trains your mind to believe you're not worth being heard. Confidence doesn't disappear overnight. It fades in small moments where you choose silence over self-respect. 2. You avoid small discomforts, not big challenges, the small ones. The awkward conversation, the difficult message, the honest no, the uncomfortable truth. Avoiding discomfort feels safe, but it slowly builds a life where everything controls you. Growth doesn't come from chaos. It comes from choosing small discomforts on purpose. 3. You react too quickly, not in anger, in everything. You reply instantly. You defend instantly. You explain instantly. You justify instantly. Quick reactions feel efficient, but they often come from insecurity, not clarity. A man who pauses is a man who thinks. A man who thinks is a man who leads. 4. You're present physically, but absent mentally. You show up but your mind is elsewhere. You listen, but you're not really listening. You're in the room, but not in the moment. People feel this. Opportunities feel this. Life feels this. Presence is a skill, and when you lose it, you lose more than you think. 5. You underestimate the power of small habits. You think change requires a big transformation, but your life is shaped by the things you repeat when nobody's watching. Your tone, your posture, your discipline, your routines. Small habits don't stay small. They compound. They build your identity. They shape your future. The truth is simple. Most people are held back not by dramatic failures, but by quiet patterns they never question. If you recognize yourself in any of these 5 habits, good. Awareness is the first step towards change, and small changes done consistently can transform your life faster than you think. Let the ideas compound.